In this video, I will walk you through the process of linear regression modeling step by step. Step 1. Define the problem. Decide what you want to predict or what is your target and what inputs you'll use as independent or predictor variables. Step 2. Gather relevant and reliable data. Step 3. Clean and prepare the data as discussed in our earlier video. Step 4. Split your dataset into training and testing sets so you can evaluate performance of the regression model. Step 5. Explore the dataset using DatViz AI. In this example, using retail transaction dataset, we looked at the correlations between all numeric variables: quantity, price, discount applied, and total sales. From the graph, it is shown that price and quantity have very strong correlation with total sales. Let's say we want to predict total sales when we apply price increase or decrease. Using scatterplot, check whether relationships is roughly linear. Using DatViz AI, we find that total sales and price seem to have a positive linear relationship as the data points are trending up. Step 6. We then write the model as total sales equals A plus B times price. Using the training dataset, fit the model to estimate the coefficient B. With DatViz AI, all you have to do is click on the regression line icon at the bottom of the graph, and the regression line will appear. Step 7. Then click on See More. To see the results showing key metrics such as correlation, R-square, and the regression equation, including interpretation. Step 8. Does the model look good? DatViz AI say the model is moderately good as the R-square is 0.407. R-square is the percentage of variance in Y that your model can explain using X. When R-square equals 1, it means perfect fit. When R-square is between 0 and 1, it means partial explanation. When R-square equals 0, it means the model explains nothing. There are other metrics to use, especially when doing multiple linear regression, which will be introduced in the advanced version of DatViz AI. Step 9. Re-evaluate the model using test data without changing any of the variables and following the same steps taken to train model. Step 10. Apply the model to predict sales using price from test data and new price data moving forward. Why regression matters? Regression is the foundation of predictive analytics and business forecasting. It is important in business analysis as it allows you to see trends, make predictions, explain relationships between factors, answers a lot of questions about your business, and most importantly, support decision-making.